Have you ever wondered if your money is safe in your bank account? With all the financial news out there, it's easy to get worried about the safety of your hard-earned cash. In this video, we're going to take a look at Tangerine Bank and find out if it's CDIC insured. Tangerine Bank is a Canadian bank that offers a variety of banking products and services, including checking accounts, savings accounts, GICs, and mortgages. It's a popular choice for many Canadians, but is it safe? The Canadian Deposit Insurance Corporation, CDIC, is a government agency that insures deposits in Canadian banks and credit unions. This means that if your bank fails, your deposits are protected up to $100,000. So, is Tangerine Bank CDIC insured? The answer is yes. Tangerine Bank is a member of CDIC, so your deposits are protected up to $100,000. This means that if Tangerine Bank were to fail, you would get your money back up to $100,000. This is a great way to protect your money and ensure that it's safe. In addition to being CDIC insured, Tangerine Bank is also a member of the Canadian Bankers Association, CBA. This means that it is subject to the same regulations and standards as other Canadian banks. So, if you're looking for a safe and reliable bank to do your banking, Tangerine Bank is a great option. Additional information. Here are some additional things to know about Tangerine Bank. It is a member of the Canadian Deposit Insurance Corporation, CDIC. It is a member of the Canadian Bankers Association, CBA. It is a subsidiary of Scotiabank. It offers a variety of banking products and services, including checking accounts, savings accounts, GICs, and mortgages. It has a strong reputation for customer service. Tangerine Bank is a safe and reliable bank that is CDIC insured. This means that your deposits are protected up to $100,000. If you're looking for a safe and sound place to do your banking, Tangerine Bank is a great option. If you're interested in learning more about Tangerine Bank, please visit their website or give them a call. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.